Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and we will select here the exit plane, rotate the view. This will be the top view. Select the rectangle command and take here 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point, make the rectangle, go to dimension. Here we will select the width of 100 mm and the height here will be of 60 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now take here extrude. We will take extrude of 15 mm. Okay. And press OK. Now here select the front plane. Go to create sketch. Now take the rectangle command once again. This time also we will take 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point and make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension. Here select the bottom edge and select this edge. This will be a height of 5 mm and the width here we will define it as 42 mm. Enter. Now go to 3D model, take extrude, flip the direction. So it will flip to cut and here we will select all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now here go to part 1. Now we are going to construct this top profile. Go to part 2, go to origin and we will select the XY plane. Go to create sketch and here take the circle command and make a circle profile over here of diameter 40. Enter. Okay. Now go to the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle profile. Okay. Now here go to dimension. So the center point from base will be at a distance 117 mm. Okay. And the next, this bottom profile from base, this will be at a distance of 76 mm. Okay. Now go to tangent constraint, select this circle, select this line, select this circle, select this line. Okay. Now here escape, go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select the center point of profile. Okay. And escape. Go to 3D model, take extrude. Here select this profile and we'll select a symmetric extrude. Here the extrude will be of 28 mm. Okay, and OK. Now go to part 1. Now we are going to make the joining profile. Go to part 2. Select the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Here for the joining profile we are going to make an arc profile. So go to arc. Select 3-point arc. Select this edge and select this corner. Okay. Make a radius of 200 mm. Okay. Go to dimension, select the center point and here rotate the profile and select the center point. Okay. Give this dimension here. Here the dimension will be of 42 mm. Enter. Now go to the line command and make a center line over here. Okay. Escape. Select this line, make it a construction geometry. Go to mirror, select this profile, go to mirror line and select the center line. Apply and done. Now go to line command and make a joining profile and this also a joining profile. Now finish sketch, take extrude. Here we will take symmetric extrude and the dimension here will be of 14 mm and press OK. Okay. Now select this profile, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make the whole profile. Take the circle command and here from the center point make a circle here of diameter 15. Finish sketch, go to extrude, flip the direction to cut and this will be a through cut. So we'll select here all and OK. Okay. Now here select this face, go to create sketch. Here also we are going to make a through cut. Go to rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and here make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension. Here the depth of this rectangle will be 30 mm. Go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select the center. Okay, go to dimension. The width here will be of 18 mm and finish sketch. Go to extrude, flip the direction and here we will select all. So this will be a through cut here. Okay, press OK. Now the next thing, okay, the bottom mounting holes are left. Go to part 1. We have completed this profile and this joining profile. Now we are going to give the radius and the hole profiles. Okay, go to part 2. Here select the fillet command and take a fillet radius here of 10 mm. Go to edge selection, select this corner, this, rotate and select this. Okay, go to home. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command. On this center point we are going to make circle of dia 10. Similarly here at this center dia 10. Similarly here a dia 10 and here also at this center point a diameter of 10 mm. Okay, now finish sketch, take extrude, select all the profiles and here we'll flip the direction. So this will be a cut profile. Press OK. Okay, now this is the final output. Now from here I'll define the appearance. So appearance will be blue wall paint glossy. Okay, so this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands to construct a 3D part model. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.